And Providence Healthcare says its intensive care units are still filling up and the patients are getting younger.
Yeah, in a press conference today, Providence says a post-operative area will now be used to treat non-COVID patients who need ICU level care after having major surgery. Our Morgan Trow is live in the newsroom this afternoon. Morgan, what kind of patients are they seeing the most of right now?
Tom, Whitney, Providence says there is an uptick in pediatric COVID patients. Their chief medical officer says he thinks as many as 10 kids have been in the pediatric ICU at one time. He says this is the first time during the pandemic that there is a steady increase in children being admitted. He also said he's seeing younger adults fill up the adult ICU.
What is the average age of the patients in the ICU right now, and how does that compare to the past 3 months, 6 months, year?
I don't have exact ages as of now, but what I can tell you is that we're seeing much younger patients in our ICU. It's not uncommon to see 30-year-olds in our ICU, lots of 50-year-olds in our ICU. What's been really striking since the start of the pandemic initially, our ICU was almost completely full of nursing home type age patients.
Dr. Dan Getz says the elderly population in the ICU has actually decreased. He says that the 70s to 80s demographic has been receptive to getting the vaccine, and they are actually the largest percentage of people in the state that have received it. Dr. Getz says there have been kids on ventilators, and many of those who were hospitalized as children are too young to be vaccinated. That's why he adds that the community needs to get vaccinated to help protect those vulnerable and ineligible to get the vaccine. I'll have more on why he says Providence will continue to see more cases with kids. Live in the newsroom, Morgan Trow, KREM 2 News.